Hello everyone, my name is Peter. I am from thesupportzone.com, and the purpose of thesupportzone.com is to provide all kind of bookkeeping services for the financial softwares. Right now I am a self-employed person, but I'm in this industry for more than you can say 7 years now. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how we can download QuickBooks Desktop Enterprise 2024. Okay, and this is one of the easiest way to download your QuickBooks onto your computer. So in order to download it, first please go ahead and open your internet browser. I'm using Mozilla Firefox. So here what you need to type, simply type QBDT. Okay, QBDT stands for QuickBooks Desktop. Okay, and then you need to go to QuickBooks Downloads, the very first option here. You just need to click on this one, and afterwards this window will pop up. Choose your country. So I am choosing US here, and my recommendation here will be choosing not sure. Okay, at this moment click on next. You can see your country is selected. Then you need to select your product, which is going to be QuickBooks Desktop Enterprise for this case. Okay, and then we need to select version, so that we're going to be 2024 in this situation. Then we need to click on search. Okay, so on the next window you will going to see the download setup here that we need to allow or launch. So we need to click on this drop down menu, and then we need to click on Enterprise 24. Okay, so now within the next quick second a download will going to start. You can see it says QuickBooks Enterprise 24.exe. So it is an executable file which will going to take a minute or two to download. It also depends on your internet speed. Okay, so let's go ahead and wait this one to get complete. One suggestion would be here, like if you are doing it, please create a backup on your computer. I mean your QuickBooks company file backup. Okay, I will gonna create a small videos regularly on this channel, where you will going to learn about QuickBooks, you can say tips and tricks, and how you can use it effectively along with efficiently. Okay, so here we are about to be done here, so let's see and wait for this one to complete. And also, if you are interested to get any kind of QuickBooks services from my side, that you, let's say you need some QuickBooks bookkeeping help, yes, I can help you. Either you are using a desktop edition or a QuickBooks online edition, I am happy to help you out with that. I can help you to set up, I can help you to clean up the QuickBooks files and all that. Okay, and for that purposes you can contact me on my website. Link is mentioned in the description below. You can go there, leave your inquiry, and I will gonna get back to you as soon as I receive it. I work according to Central Standard Time from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. according to Central Standard Time. You can also contact me on my number, which is provided on my website. You can also check it. Alright, so this one is completed. I mean, the setup is downloaded. Now we are going to launch it, and we need to wait. It may ask us to allow some permissions. So let's wait for this one. Alright, here we go. Let's click on yes. Okay, it starts to extracting the files. Okay, which will going to take a couple of seconds to extract, and then afterwards it will going to show us this window where we need to accept the license agreement. Okay, so this notification will pull up the complete QuickBooks software license agreement. If you would like to read it, you can. In my case, I will going to minimize this window, and I will gonna click on I accept, and then I click on continue. Here it will going to ask you for the license number and the product number. If you have it, that's a good thing. If you do not have it and you are not sure how you can get this information, okay, When you made a purchase, there are two ways. When you made a purchase, you may have received an email. So there you can find this information. Or the other way, which is the best way, is to go to this website, which is Intuit website, kemps.intuit.com. Okay, you need to log into your Intuit account, and with the help of this you can easily check your purchase history into your Intuit account. You can enter your registered email address and it will ask you for your password afterwards, and once you will be logged in, then you will be able to see your license and the product information. So in my case, I have my information handy. I will going to put that in quickly. All right, and all right, I am going to use the QuickBooks only on this computer. It is going to be get installed only for this computer, and it is just for the tutorial purposes. So that's why I'm going to choose this option. I'll be using QuickBooks Desktop on this computer, so I'm going to use it. In the upcoming videos, I will show you how you can share your data, I mean your company data over the network to access it via multiple computers. But you need to have a multiple user licenses that you can purchase directly from the Intuit website. Okay, then I click on next here. All right, if you would like to change the location of the installation, you can. Otherwise, click on next and then click on install. All right, so this installation process will also going to take approximately, you can say, 5 to 7 minutes. If you would like to have a cup of coffee in the meantime, please go ahead, and I will be right back to you once it will be completed. All right, so you can see installation is completed, and it should show us this option here as open QuickBooks, but I'm not sure why does it not showing us. But in your case, it should you can click on open QuickBooks and then you can easily pull it up. But I'm not sure why does it not doing it in my case. So I'm clicking on close here at the moment. To complete your QuickBooks installation, you must reboot your computer. Choose reboot. Okay, I will do it later. Okay, I got it. But my suggestion would be to reboot your computer if it asks you on your computer. Okay, I'm going to open QuickBooks here. You can see it is installed on the computer. So let's go ahead and dive into it. And yep, it is requiring a reboot to complete the installation. All right, so no problem. I'll be right back to you once this you can say once I'll reboot the computer. I'll get back to you in a quick second here. All right, guys, my computer is rebooted now, and we are back here. So let's go ahead and open QuickBooks. So you can see it is QuickBooks Enterprise Solution 24.0. We are going to pull it up, and let's wait to. Okay, so here it is asking us about the industry. In this case, I'm just going to choose Enterprise Solutions General Businesses, and then I click on next and I click on finish. It will going to take some time to configure the settings and all that, so let's go ahead and wait for this one to complete. All right, it is about to be complete now. Here we go. So it says Intuit provide updates. QuickBooks, you can download the internet through. Okay, if you would like to receive future updates automatically, you can click on yes. Otherwise, you can click on no. I am going to click on yes at the moment here, and here we go. So it will going to allow all the updates in the near future. You just need to click on begin activation. Here it will going to activate the product automatically in the future. I mean it will going to activate the product, and once the product is activated, you will going to have this registration window and all that on your QuickBooks. You just need to close it, and then you can click on OK. Here we go. Your QuickBooks is completely installed on this computer. Then you can restore the company, or you can create a new company. Okay, so this video was only focused on how you can install and download your QuickBooks. So for this video, we have this everything set up here, and everything we done here. So I will see you in the next one. I will going to show you other things in the upcoming videos about QuickBooks. So please do subscribe my channel and do like my video and recommend this channel to your clients. Share it with your accountants, business owners, or with the bookkeepers as well. And for any bookkeeping needs, any QuickBooks help related to anything with QuickBooks, just visit my website. Linked is mentioned description section. And so here for today, this is for now. Okay, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.